Good evening, class 5. How are you all? I hope you all are fit, fine, and healthy at home. Dear children, in this session, we will do question answers of chapter 2, all books exercise. Okay, let's start. First question is take the correct answer. You can see all the questions on your screen. First question is set of instructions given to a computer to perform particular task is. कि कंप्यूटर को जब आप इंस्ट्रक्शंस देते हैं पर्टिकुलर टास्क परफॉर्म करने का, क्या कहते हैं उसे? यस, उसको हम लोग बोलते हैं प्रोग्राम. गुड, फर्स्ट आंसर इज प्रोग्राम. ओके, नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. द लैंग्वेज डायरेक्टली अंडरस्टूड बाय द कंप्यूटर इज machine language, high level language and assembly language, and the correct answer is machine language. Question number 3. The language that uses letters and symbols is machine language, high level language, and last option is assembly language. The correct answer is assembly language. Next question. The machine independent language is machine language, machine dependent, high level language and assembly language. The machine independent language is assembly language. Good. Last question. The high level language used to draw different shapes and figures is BASIC, Logo and COBOL. Yes, the correct answer is Logo. You studied this language in class 4. Okay, now let's a quick review of all the answers. First is program, second answer is machine language, third correct answer is assembly language, fourth is high level language, and fifth answer is Logo. Let's move to next question. Next question, question number 2 is write T for true and F for false statements. And the first statement is the people who write programs, computer programs are called users. No, the people who write computer programs are called programmers. So this option is the correct answer is false. Next question, machine language uses binary digits 0 and 1. Yes, correct answer, true. Next question, an assembly language does not need a translator to be understood by the computer. No, assembly language also need a translator, that is assembler. Next question, high level language is machine dependent. No, high level language is machine independent. So this is also false. Next question, symbols used in assembly language are known as high level language. No. Now children, you can see all the answers on your screen. First is false, second is true, third false, fourth false, and fifth also false. Next question is fill in the blanks. Question number 1, the process of writing instructions for a computer is called programming. The correct answer is programming. Next question, dash language is also known as low level language. Which language? It is machine language. Next question, dash converts the assembly language program into machine language. assembly language को machine language में convert करने के लिए हम लोग translator यूज करते हैं और उसका नाम क्या है? assembler. Good. Next question, dash and dash are the programs used to translate high level languages into machine language. Which are these programs? One is compiler and second is interpreter. Compiler, second is interpreter. Okay, these are the fill in the blanks. Let's take a quick review. First is the process of writing instructions for a computer is called programming. Second, dash language is also known as low level language. Correct answer is machine language. Next, assembler converts the assembly language program into machine language. And last one is compiler and interpreter are the programs used to translate high level language program into machine language. Let's move to next question. Next question is answer the following question. Two questions on your screen. First is what is program and second question is define computer language. Let's do one by one. First question. Yes, dear children. Answer is what is program? Let's check the answer. A program is a set of instructions given to a computer to get a particular task done. हमने अभी टिक द करेक्ट आंसर में देखा था कि सेट ऑफ इंस्ट्रक्शन गिवन टू कंप्यूटर कोड प्रोग्राम, सेम आंसर हमने यहाँ लिखा है. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज डिफाइन कंप्यूटर लैंग्वेजेस. A computer language is a special language understood by the computers. It consists of a set of words, symbols and codes that is used to write a computer program. Generally, the computer languages can be divided into two groups: low level language and high level language. Next question. Question number 3. Write short note on machine language and high level language. Let's check first answer, machine language. A machine language, also called first generation language, is a language directly understood by the computer without any translation. It refers to zeros and ones that the computer can understand as instructions. Next question, high level language. A high level language has instructions which are almost similar to English language used by us. It is very user friendly and resembles the language that we use. High level language is machine independent. Next question, define the following: assembler, compiler and interpreter. First answer. An assembler is a program used to translate assembly language into machine language so that the computer can understand it. Next, compiler. A compiler converts high-level program into machine language. It converts the entire high-level program into machine language at once and also displays the error of whole program together. Interpreter. An interpreter also converts high-level language into machine language. It converts one line of program at a time. It displays the error one line at a time and goes to the next line only after the correction of errors. Next, last question is write the full form of the following terms. First is basic and full form is beginner's all-purpose symbolic instruction code. Next is logo, language of graphics oriented. Next is COBOL, common business oriented language. Next is Fortran, formula translation. Last question is application based question. Question is, several years ago a programmer who is no longer with the company wrote a program for your company using a high level programming language. Your colleagues has discovered an error in the program, but nobody knows how to convert high level language into machine language in order to remove the error. What are the options? And the correct answer is he should use compiler or interpreter which converts high level language into machine language. In this way, errors will be displayed and can be corrected easily. Yes children, we know whenever we require to convert high level program into machine language, we can use either compiler or interpreter. Okay children, thank you. Write the questions in your notebook, learn the question answers. God bless you all.